color combinations. Here we have a very beautiful green shade color saree. It's a radiant light green color with mild golden tinge. Saree is having golden zari work. The buttas are in golden zari here. Round shaped buttas, a very beautiful geometric pattern with floral design as well as checks pattern inside it. Golden zari is looking beautiful with a dual color border, orange color, rust color border as well as a golden zari border attached in both sides of the saree. Beautiful weaving, and we have a contrast Rani pink shade pallu. Pallu is also having grand work, a big butta design, and we also have plain blouse piece in same color combination. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border design, beautiful collection. Here we have a traditional combination color, yellow saree, turmeric yellow it is, with a combination of pink. Beautiful combo, ever lovely and ever demanded combination it is, with the round shaped buttas. Buttas having both the floral pattern as well as geometric weaving. You can see very elegant splittings in it. And we have a dual border concept here. Orange border as well as a golden zari border is there in both sides of the saree. A fine finished beautiful saree with a Rani pink pallu. Big motif design in the pallu weaving with a plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Very elegant combination. Always demanded traditional combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree. Double border design sarees here with golden zari work. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree. Elegant light lavender. It's a pastel lavender color with golden zari work. We have a beautiful golden zari work done in a circle pattern which is in beautiful design. You can see four splitting inside it. Floral as well as checks pattern inside the butta. Finely done one with a mango yellow light peach mix color border, and one side we also have a golden zari border. Both sides the pallu, the border design comes in this saree. Very elegant one with the contrast mango yellow shade pallu. Pallu is having big design which is done using golden zari with plain blouse piece in same pallu color. Combination is very different, lavender with yellow, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double border design, very elegant golden zari worked beautiful sarees. An excellent combination colors. Here we have a very elegant yellow shades saree, always demanded beautiful yellow with a square shaped buttas. The buttas are very beautifully done. You can see the details, beautiful floral and kanji type butta. And we have dual color border. We have a orange border as well as a golden zari border in both sides of the saree. Elegant weaving, color combination is also perfect. Here we have an attractive Rani pink pallu with big motif design in the weaving of the pallu, rich pallu with plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is a beautiful combination. It is a traditional, always in demand color with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection. An alluring combination, excellent color sarees. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, something between a navy blue and royal blue color with a gold zari design. Elegant one with same color blouse piece. In the whole saree, the blouse piece also have a thin 1-inch zari border, gold zari border. And here we have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color body with silver and gold zari buttas. Beautiful design, 3D type triangle design. Excellently weaved sarees with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, and beautiful and alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, deep blue color, something between the royal blue and navy blue color, and we have a very beautiful gold zari work in the pallu. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch zari border, and that is there in the blouse piece as well. Blouse is in pallu color, and we have a light radiant green color, almost neon green color saree, very different color with copper and gold zari finish buttas. Buttas are very different. The zari border adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree. Beautiful gold zari work, double border saree collection. Very excellent work. And the color of the saree here is black, shade black color. Beautiful golden zari buttas. The zari here is antique finish golden zari. You can see the design, very visible and beautiful on this black base color with dual border. One is golden zari border, the other one is a beautiful maroon and brown mixed shade color border. Very elegantly it's been done with a contrast blouse piece and pallu. Here we have red and pink mixed shade color pallu with beautiful big design motif design pallu, completely done using golden zari with a plain pallu color blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, majestic black with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, a very beautiful color combination, different combo here, a pista green and light olive green mixed color with beautiful gold jari work, and we have the same color pallu, mild yellow tinge which is very beautiful, a pastel color, and here we have the body in a very different color again, green and brown mixed color, green in a different shade. You can see the buttas are done using gold and silver jari alternatively. The gold jari border in both sides, 1 inch, which is making the saree really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection with golden zari work. Here we have a always demanded beautiful and regular combination saree, yellow, beautiful dark goldish mango yellow color saree here with gold zari round shaped buttas. The buttas have both floral as well as geometric pattern inside. You can see the details of the buttas. Elegantly done with a orange and border and as a double border design, golden zari border as well as orange we have in the border, and we have a contrast pink color pallu. The pink pallu is very beautiful, sweet pink with mild orange tinge in it with a bigger shaped buttas in the pallu, and we have same color plain blouse piece. Very elegant combination, always demanded beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border collection. Very elegant golden zari worked beautiful sarees in an excellent combination colors. Here we have a very pretty parrot green shade color saree with mild gold tinge on it. Really beautiful parrot green, a perfect and elegant attractive green shade saree with very elegant beautiful and round shaped buttas, both floral as well as a geometric checked pattern in the buttas, finely weaved one with a double border concept. We have orange border, a rustic orange one with a golden zari border also, and we have a contrast Rani pink shade pallu. The pallu is having very pretty work, big buttas design in the pallu done using golden zari, and same way the pallu color blouse piece is given here. Excellent, pretty, always demanded elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram silk saree, a soft silk one with double border design, contrast pallu, mustard yellow color pallu with golden zari weaving in the pallu, big butta motifs, and we have plain blouse piece in same mustard yellow. The saree here is in beautiful deep bottle green color with a circle shaped design. The design have beautiful design, you can see floral as well as a geometric pattern in single butta, and we have a double border design in the saree. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a double border concept, beautiful sarees with golden zari weaving buttas. The zari border is also golden zari here. The saree have a contrast pallu and blouse piece, a mustard yellow color pallu with very elegant big motif design, mango design weaving in the pallu done using golden zari, and the same mustard yellow color blouse piece with the borders in the blouse piece also. The saree have a beautiful dark bottle green color, a shade higher than the bottle green with buttas at a square shape done using golden zari. The borders of the saree is also double border design, mustard yellow as well as a golden zari border is given. Excellent saree with affordable pricing and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very elegant 4-way border collection with a combination of half white, pallu in half white color, mild ash mix half white color with all over weaving design done using golden zari. Same color blouse piece, pallu color. The pallu blouse piece as well as the border of the saree is in same color. 6-inch border, korvai design, korvai weaving. You can see the joining of the korvai. It's very elegant with butta design also running in the border. So one side border, other side is a borderless concept with the saree which is in light green shade. Geometrical buttas that are diamond shaped, which also have checks pattern inside it. A golden zari weaving all over with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a korvai border collection with beautiful golden zari weaving work. A bright and beautiful combination saree here. The pallu is in half white with mild ash tinge in it, and we also have beautiful zari work. It is golden zari all over. Beautiful 3D type pallu with same color blouse piece. The blouse piece, pallu and the border of the saree are in same color. Contrast to the body color. The body is a bright parrot green here with one side borderless concept, and it is a diamond shaped weaving buttas, checked pattern buttas done using golden zari, and we have korvai border, 6-inch border, hand korvai design. You can see the joining of the korvai with beautiful buttas in it. Excellent saree, elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, very trendy, beautiful collection of ours. It is a low rise pattern using copper zari work, a subtle and beautiful color, pastel English color it is. The warp of the saree is half white mixed with light onion peel pink, which gives a beautiful flowy pastel color, mild onion peel color on the saree, and the buttas here are done very elegantly using the square shape and floral pattern. And copper zari is mixed with gold to get a beautiful color. Same way, the buttas are done in a very elegant way. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when you drape it. It's a borderless concept saree with a simple pallu. Pallu is diagonally woven pattern, and we have plain blouse piece. The warp here is half white and we have the warped in light pink color. Beautiful saree in pastel and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise pattern saree. It's a classic collection. A very different color combination here. A rare and beautiful color. Dark burgundy brown, chocolate brown color is mixed with coffee brown and gives a beautiful color to the saree. Very different shade of brown. Copper finish zari used for the buttas. The buttas are woven very elegantly using both copper and silver mixed work. Number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when you drape the saree. And it is a beautiful borderless concept too. The buttas are in square shape, which is done with a floral pattern, and we have a very elegant and simple pallu with a diagonally woven pattern in zari. We have same color plain blouse piece. You can see the warp here is dark choco brown and the warp is normal coffee brown. Excellent color, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection of very beautiful and trendy low rise pattern sarees. Here we have an olive green color, beautiful shade of olive green with golden zari buttas. The buttas are very elegantly crafted, that the buttas number increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when you drape the saree. The saree is a borderless concept one with golden zari weaving. The buttas are of square shape with a floral pattern, and we have a simple and elegant pallu. Pallu is diagonally the zari pattern pallu with same color plain blouse piece. Complete saree is in olive green with just the buttas. It's a very elegant saree, a classic collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise concept sarees done on excellent bright shade here. Yellow mixed with Fanta orange to get a beautiful shade. A bright shade it is. The complete saree, even the pallu and blouse piece are in same color. Very elegant, simple pallu design. And we have the buttas done using silver and golden zari, which gives a beautiful tone, and it is done in a square shape. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. Elegant one, borderless concept, very simple and very beautiful, elegant collection with same pallu color, body and pallu color blouse piece. Excellent creation with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise concept sarees with very elegant golden zari and the copper zari mixed weaving. Saree color is a beautiful color, copper sulphate blue. Excellent shade of deep copper sulphate blue. And we have pallu also in same color with elegant design, which is zari woven. Simple and beautiful and elegant pallu with same color blouse piece. The buttas here are woven very differently in a square shape, in a beautiful floral pattern. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. A soft, beautiful, lightweight and exclusive collection comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise concept, very trending sarees in a beautiful color here. Deep navy blue color. It's a beautiful dark blue with the zari part clearly visible on this particular color. Complete saree is in single color with the beautiful zari woven pallu with diagonally woven, beautiful, simple and elegant pallu with same color blouse piece. The zari buttas here are done very differently with a square shape and this floral pattern. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when you drape the saree. A soft, lightweight and beautiful saree with a rich and different combination color and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful and trendy low rise pattern sarees on a very excellent color shade. Here we have yellow and light green mixed color. A very beautiful green we are getting with mild yellow tinge. And we have a golden zari worked beautiful butta design. Square shaped buttas, floral pattern done in an excellent way that the number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is straight. Borderless concept, and you can see the same body color pallu. Very simple and elegant zari worked pallu. And we have plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent handcrafted design. Beautiful and demanded saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very famous and trending design, low rise pattern sarees in a very elegant combination colors. This is a completely in single color, no contrast concept saree, and the saree color here is a dual tone. We have a beautiful deep violet mixed with green tone, almost a peacock neck color we are getting with mild tinge of violet. Beautiful color with the tone used for the zari is a copper and a silver mix, which gives a mild tone of copper. Excellent and elegant pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. And the buttas here are woven very elegantly using aravata. Square shaped buttas in a floral pattern. The number of buttas increases and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle very big. It's a soft, beautiful, lightweight saree for your rich and exclusive collection, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful low rise pattern sarees, always demanded beautiful design, elegant one with single color concept. Here we have a green shade. The green is done using light fluorescent yellow mixed with green to get the excellent shade. So on green you can see a beautiful goldish yellow shade with very elegant the square shaped buttas that is done very elegantly using the golden zari, and it increases in numbers and then decreases, which makes a beautiful triangle when it is draped. A fine borderless concept saree, very elegant weaving, and we have a beautiful simple pallu in same body color, and the pallu tassels are already made with plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent color, beautiful choice, a rare combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection with different combination colors. Here we have a unique combination color. The saree color is a green. It's a very different green, something between olive and military green shade. Very different one with big motifs. The motifs are done using Aravatam weaving and 240 jacquard woven design, and very elegantly it is done. You can see the clarity. So inverted apple design, kind of a tree pattern, and we have the copper and silver mixed zari work. Original copper is used. It's a borderless saree with a combination of deep purple. Purple is also very perfect. The pallu also have meena work and a finely woven design. The tassels are already made with the plain the blouse piece, which is given separately. The blouse piece is 0.7 meters in saree width, which gives a 1 meter fabric. Beautiful one, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless collection, beautiful silver jari work, 3D type butta design sarees, an excellent color combination, a pinkish red color pallu with silver jari work. The butta design is given in the pallu also, 3D work, and we have same blouse piece, pallu color, contrast one for the body. And body is a very vibrant, radiant green color, almost fluorescent green, excellent combo. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are 240 jacquard. Aravatam is weaving buttas, very big and beautiful. 3D work, you can see the closer view. It looks very beautiful, and it is a completely handloom weaving with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless collection, a 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, 3D type, very excellent design. Dark base color, navy blue and purple is mixed to get a beautiful dark purple color, very elegant one with copper and silver mixed jari work. Original copper is mixed with normal silver jari to get a beautiful color tone for the jari, and 3D type circle pattern is weaved, very elegant one, completely handcrafted with a very contrast dark amanda blue color pallu. Pallu also have the same zari tone, beautiful weaving in the pallu, grand one with same color, plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, dark combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, a new launch, a very elegant, different design butta. The saree color is also a pretty color here, pastel shade, light pink, mild peach mix pink it is, pastel shade with a big butta. You can see the size, very elegant butta, and the copper zari is used here for the butta weaving. Original copper zari. The pattern of the butta is also very elegant. A mango, half leaf flower design. You see, beautiful Aravatam buttas, 240 jacquard weaving, finely crafted. Very excellent premium quality soft silk in a borderless concept with a beautiful contrast turquoise green color pallu. Pallu design is also pretty one. Perfect Kanjivaram pallu with a plain blouse piece. Combination is very beautiful, an ultimate pastel combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design, beautiful big size buttas, very elegantly handcrafted design on dark coffee brown shade, black mixed coffee brown it is, beautifully done on the dark base color. You can see the buttas, mango plus flower, a 3D type butta, excellently weaved using copper and silver zari work. Original copper is used and fine tone we are getting on the butta design. Borderless concept, and you can see the contrast pallu here, turquoise green color, a very elegant kanji type pallu with checked pattern, peacocks and rudraksha pattern, same done on copper zari again with plain blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful, dark and light, the beautiful pastel combo with the dark one with authentic silk mark.